Mexico braces as the strongest storm ever seen in the Western Hemisphere takes aim at its coast. Hurricane Patricia is expected to make landfall this afternoon or evening. We want to show you a live look at the storm from our radar. And residents in Mexico are already preparing for the storm and have been ordered away from the coast. This is a live picture from Guadalajara, where you can see the gray clouds coming in. It's looking quite gloomy there. But this storm is also affecting us here in the Southland. CBS 2 Jasmine Viel is live at LAX, where Patricia is causing flight cancellations. Jasmine?
That's true, Rick, and flights into and out of Puerto Vallarta have all been canceled today as that airport is closing down, including from here at LAX, Orange County, Ontario. And the passengers I spoke with here today, of course, they are worried about the people still there in Mexico's resort city, right in the path of this monster storm. As Hurricane Patricia barrels towards Mexico's Pacific coast, it's all Lorena Arreola can do but watch and hope her brother, who lives in Puerto Vallarta, gets out in time.
I am worried, and I hope he's smart and he just gets out of the area, because there's no place you can hide from it.
She's catching a flight from LAX back home to Cabo and is flooded with memories of what she and her 3 kids went through a year ago. That's when Hurricane Odell slammed into Baja California's luxury resort city, collapsing hotels and flooding roads.
I hid in the bathroom for many hours, 8 hours, I don't know.
Patricia is expected to be much stronger than that, a Category 5 now and catastrophic when it makes landfall in southwestern Mexico. People in Puerto Vallarta are under a state of emergency. Schools are closed, restaurants and homes are boarded up, sandbags are stacked, and supplies bought. It's where passengers Warren and Stephanie Robinson from Australia were supposed to be flying into this afternoon for their son's wedding in a week.
Oh, we were fine last night. We thought it'd be okay.
Now they will have to wait it out.
I'm sure our daughter-in-law, future daughter-in-law, is not going to be impressed, but there you go. That's life.
And like other passengers, hope for the best.
The fact that it's a beautiful place, they've done a lot of renovations, and for this to happen, that's terrible.
Something Arreola knows all too well.
It's too strong, it has no pity on you.
So really just waiting to see what happens, Rick. I can tell you only one flight on Alaska Air was able to make it out to Puerto Vallarta early this morning with about 150 people on board. And now airlines, the latest, I just checked with them, they're looking at rescheduling flights here by Saturday. I'll send it back to you.
All right. Thank you, Jasmine.